Well, here we are on the homestead. Gonna put this dog kennel together. Here's everything that came in the box. All right, I got it all laid out here. The base, this is a piece 3 right there, and then I got piece 2s, 5 piece 2s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a piece 3. Okay, now I put the uprights, kind of laid them out. So we got a D5 right here, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, little pro tip here, helps to find an Allen head screw bit for your cordless. Makes things go a lot quicker. So we have our piece 3. One thing to note here, this piece 3 goes the farthest in the bottom, and then piece 2 up here goes up above it. It's staggered a little bit. It's kind of reduced it necks down. Those are all going to go towards the top. You can see here in the back right corner, and these pieces are kind of staggered. So this is our piece number 2 across the back, and it's going in the upper hole, and this one's going in the lower. This piece number 2 here, and then this piece number 2 here is staggered as well. This is towards the front. All right, here's progress so far. Note the stagger in the bottom, it's important. This one's up high, that one's down low. That back piece is up higher, low, high, and then low. Now we're gonna get our piece 4s and come across here. We're gonna get 5 piece 4s in. Okay, we got all our piece 4s in. So we made sure to match what was down below as far as the staggering. So you can see here, these two are a little bit lower. There's the intersection. That's what that looks like. That's what you want. All right, we're putting the door together now. So we have piece D2 here, which goes on last, and D3 over here. So we're doing the center section of the door first. And here we have our piece D4, which all our B poles slide up through. Then D4s at the top and a D4 at the bottom. All right, so we have our piece 14 up above here, and these bolt holes go out this way. Piece 13's down here. These are little J poles there. And then we're gonna tie it all in with our side pieces. All right, we got the door all assembled here. There's what it looks like. Got all the bolts in the side there. This just goes down like that. We flip that up so we could screw the bolts in easier that way. Okay, we're installing the door here. Gotta put a bolt in from underneath. It just latches right here. That's how you know you got it in the right spot. The latch lines up. It's tight. Okay, now with this door open, we're installing piece 6 right here. This is right to the left of the door. Now we're just gonna go around the whole thing and put all these pipes in there. Okay, we got all our poles slid down in there. Okay, now we're putting our top pieces in here. This here's a piece 2. We're gonna put another piece 2 there, 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 and there, so a total of 5. And this is our piece 3 going along the front there where the door is. Okay, we got all our piece 2s in. Now we're gonna put the arches on across the top for the roof. Piece 9 and 10, so they just go right on the top, just like this here. 9 goes on one side, 10 on the other, and they just meet in the middle. All right, got the top parts in. Okay, what we did is we got piece 7 in the middle, and then we got 8 and 8 here. And they're fastened just like this. The bolt comes down through the top and the nut on the bottom. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put the roof on, the tarp. These little protectors go on the end there too. Just like that. Everywhere there's an open pipe here like this, I'm gonna put one on there. One, then there's another ones. The other ones go down on the bottom underneath it. I just put these on here, the bolts like that. Real nice kennel. Really happy with this thing. Super easy to put together too. All right, thank you for watching, everybody.